Pentaro Adun, Executor. Your defense of Antioch has restored my faith in the Templar caste. I admit that Tassadar's desertion had shaken my faith.
Indeed, Algaris. I would hope that the Judicator would put more faith in their Templar brethren.
Tassadar, where have you
Be
been?
silent, Judicator. There is no time to waste, and I have much to tell you. As you know, the Zerg vanished after the fall of the Terran world of Tarsonis. And though the Conclave bid me return home, I was compelled to remain. A powerful psionic call drew my attention to a remote barren world named Char. Apparently the call was answered by others as well. For upon Char, I encountered those who were once our brethren, the Dark Templar.
Consorting with the Fallen Ones is heresy.
Enough! Hear me, Executor. For I have learned much from the Dark Templar Prelate, Zeratul. The Overmind controls its minions through agents called Cerebrates. Strike down the Cerebrates, and the swarms will surely fall.
Executor, Tassadar may be right. If you can keep the Zerg occupied, my force may be able to penetrate their perimeter and slay the abomination.
I pray we can trust you, Tassadar. Already I can sense the taint of the Fallen One's influence on your mind. You must return to Ire at once.
My concern is for the safety of Ire, not the judgments of the Conclave. I will return when the time is right.
Transmitting. Input command now calls. Receiving. Commencing. For the 19th. She house. Gaokola. She house. She house.
You have not enough minerals. You have not enough minerals. You have not enough minerals.
I long for combat. Thus I serve. I long for combat. Esau too.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
What now calls? Esau too. Honor guide me. Esau too. Thus I serve. She house. Calls. Esau too. I long for combat. For Adun. Gaokola. I long for combat. My life for hire.
Not enough minerals.
I long for combat. Esau too.
You have not enough minerals.
My life for hire. Esau too. I long for combat. Instructions. Esau too.
You are under attack.
I long for combat. What now calls? Receiving. Transmitting. I long for combat.
You have not enough
My life for hire. She house. Thus I serve.
You must construct additional pylons.
I long for combat.
You must construct additional pylons.
What now calls?
You must construct additional pylons. You must construct additional pylons.
Some Galados. I long for combat. I long for combat. Esau too. Galados.
You have not enough minerals.
My life for hire. She house. Receiving. No time. Make use of Esau too. Input command. Galados. Esau too. I long for combat.
You must construct additional pylons.
My life for hire.
Additional pylons.
Esau too. Thus I serve. Confirmed.
Upgrade complete. Upgrade complete.
House. Thus I serve. Honor guide me.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
Esau too. Transmitted.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
I long for combat. I am confirmed. Colossus. Lotai. Awaiting instructions. Mitora. Receiving. What now calls? My life for hire. My life for hire. It's all true. I long for combat. My life for hire. I long for combat. My life for hire. My life for hire. Gaogola. Toragoon. Honor guide me. I long for combat. Honor guide me. I long for combat.
Warriors have engaged the enemy.
My life for hire. It's all true. What now?
The warriors have engaged the enemy.
We are in position. I await your orders. What would you ask of me?
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
For hire.
My life for additional pylons. Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
As you will. My life for hire.
You have not enough minerals.
Thank you. My life for hire. I hunger for battle. Executor.
Your warriors have
For
engaged the
life for
enemy.
hire. It's all true. Honor guide me. Colossus. Sakalados. My life for hire. What
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
I hunger for battle. Immediately.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.